How to use Blood of Ares and Evony. Now, the Blood of Ares is a crucial resource used to ascend your historic generals, so beyond their 5-star enhancement. So, how to use them is that you're gonna have to ensure that the general is at level 22 or higher. Once that's done, the general must have 5 golden stars. So, you should be able to see that over here at the top, and possesses the required number of general fragments specific to that own general. Then you can navigate to the general's profile, tap on the enhance button, and there you can pretty much just select ascend. Then use the necessary amount of blood areas and general fragments to ascend. So each level comprises of 5 stages, enhancing leadership, attack, defense, more. The total resources required for full ascension to 10 stars are around 4,580 bloods of Ares and 450 general fragments or 15 general tokens. So note, purple historic generals do not require blood of Ares for ascension, so only the yellow or the more higher rarity generals. But anyways, that's pretty much how you use the blood of Ares on your generals. Make sure they reach specific level, and hopefully this video can help you. And if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all. Thank you.